Recording?
Yeah.
So. How about some music? More volume? What's it doing?
I don't know.
Looks like it's turning the music off every time we shut the door.
Yeah.
Is that weird?
Yeah.
Why don't we fix that now?
Yeah.
Not that. Not that one. That one. Okay. Thank you. You know what this tool is for? Read the box. It's right there. It tells you. Right there. What's it say?
5 pieces trim remover set.
Ah.
So here's the locker. You can lock. You have a little lock here too. Oh, that's hard. This has a little plate, and at the back and at the front there's screw. So here it is. We got.
Make sure that this thing stays together, okay?
Now here's the piece without that.
You ready to take the door out?
Yep.
Okay.
So watch the whole thing. Ready?
And the door is out.
And the door is out. Whoa, rusted, right?
Okay, alright. So,
Love it.
where is our...
Problem?
Yeah, where is our problem? Is the problem here? Where's the problem here? Where is our problem?
Yeah, where's
Oh, these are all the wirings.
mine?
Yeah, yeah.
A fine way. This looks good.
So, it's kind of okay. So, did we just fix it? But we didn't really do anything.
Well, maybe we'll find the solution.
I think we fixed it, yeah. Well, I had a feeling that some wires were stuck behind over here. Over there.
Messy?
Yeah. Problem is right here. Every time we close the door, it makes contacts or breaks contact with the door. I mean, with the connections in there. So I just wiggled this out, and we didn't even need to take this out. Now we gotta put the door back on.
Yeah, now we need to put the door back on. If it's done like that, then it's done. Mystery solved.
Mystery solved. To get the speakers back.
I'm just gonna look at this.
Hold on 1 second. We'll put the camera on you. Okay, go ahead, sir. Push it in, eh? Push it, yeah. Okay, good stuff. Push it in. Need help? Okay, punch it. Here. Harder. There you go. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, here. You wanna put the screws in for me? Okay, right there.
I can do it.
Okay.
Whoa.
Make sure that you have it nice and clear. Oh, hold on. You can feel it's turning when it's all in there. See, now turn. Feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now it's getting tight.
Now it's turning, right? Yeah.
Now it's wait.
Oh, don't miss it. Okay, there you go. Now turn. Yeah. There you go. Turn. Now keep it like this. There you go. Now it's locked, right?
Yeah.
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 I think that's it.
Yeah.
What? Very good, buddy. Give me a high five or dirty high five. Turn the camera to
We're
yourself.
done. Bye.
Okay, hold on. Turn the camera to yourself. To yourself.